what they bout to hear. More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds, so stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in this video I'm going to be talking to the young men about friend, frenemy, and enemy. As you go through life, people will be coming in and out of your life at different times. We hope each will bring a new and positive experience of growth. But as real life reality has shown us, the good, evil, kind, bad, righteous, and deceptive go hand in hand with each person, man or woman, that we encounter. This reality teaches us that we must be diligent in who we call a friend. The way in which you select to let each person into your life and call a friend is a personal choice. Some people we meet and bond with will take a short time. Others may take a longer time before we can consider them ladies. I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Okay, so let's break down a friend, frenemy, and an enemy may be doing for you or not for you. You know, the different things that will help you understand the meaning of each one of those. So let's start with friend. A friend, he'll have your back. Frenemy, you know, they might stab you in the back. An enemy definitely will break your back. So, you know, those are the differences of understanding what they are. A friend will tell the truth. A frenemy, not truthful. An enemy, straight up lie. A friend will help if needed. A frenemy, unwilling to help. And, you know, an enemy, they're not helping you at all, so don't even ask. A friend, willing to share. Frenemy may share sometimes. You know, an enemy won't share at all. A friend may loan you money. Frenemy, maybe I'm willing to. An enemy, no, won't at all. A friend will respect you. A frenemy, you know, may have some respect. An enemy won't have any respect at all for you. A friend won't take advantage. A frenemy might take advantage. And an enemy definitely will take advantage. So, you know, those are the different things that we look at when we're trying to define whether you're a good friend, a bad friend, or an enemy. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. How to choose a friend. There's no specific way of choosing a friend. It's something that happens naturally, depending on your attitude and personality. Everyone would love having a real and true friend. It's something that comes easy for some people and harder for others. You have total control over who becomes your friend. Happy, high-spirited people will attract the same type of individual. Sad, unhappy people may not attract anyone at all. But there's always hope that a true friend will find you. So knowing that your personality and attitude are the key, just work to make them shine. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace and blessings. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man, is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.